Hey guys, Harvey's Cheshire Kid here, and today what we see here is a Better Crops and Gardens Walmart ceiling fan, or as people like to call it, Better Homes and Gardens. Um, it's a 42-inch fan. I got this fan at the PA meet too as well. Once again, this fan did not come complete. It's missing the mounting hardware, the glow pull chains, and yeah. So we'll go ahead and get it demonstrated here for you guys. Light kit doesn't work for some reason, and I think this capacitor is going bad too because it spins up pretty slow. But I'll let you guys be the judge of that. So here's low. I might I might resell this fan, or I might donate it to the Habitat Restore, or resell it next year. But that's low speed right now. And this fan is in a brushed nickel finish. It's reversible to, I think it's like a dark, it's like a dark cherry look to oak, like the lighter oak, brushed nickel oak, or whatever you call it. Here's medium. This fan does wobble. Yeah, I have no idea why the light kit doesn't look. This fan looks pretty new, but light kit doesn't work. And yes, this bulb is screwed in all the way, but nothing works. This fan does have a wobble, but I don't care. Here's high. I think I mentioned this in the start of the video. I got this fan from the PA meet yesterday. I got it from the little kid, same kid who gave me the Armitage. And spin down time. If my phone has enough battery, it's almost dying. I was originally going to mount this fan outside, but I found another fan that's going to be going outside. So, in the meantime, I don't know what I'm going to do with this fan yet. And these fans, if you guys have them, I highly doubt it, but these fans are light. You can pick them, instead of pick them up on the down rod, you can pick them up on the side of the housing. That's how light these things are. I was surprised how light this motor was. But I don't know. You guys be the judge. Was that fan too slow on high, or medium, or low? And plus the light kit don't work, so I don't know. Alrighty, well that includes our video of this Better Crops and Gardens Walmart fan, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.